Before you plan your next trip, you need to see this. Today we're counting down 20 unique travel accessories on Amazon that can completely change the way you travel. From smart, space-saving gear to insanely useful travel gadgets, these picks will save you time, money, and stress. Make sure you watch till the end because the last few are absolute game changers. Number 1. COIDEA Clear Shoe Travel Bags. 5. Pack. Keep your shoes organized and protected with the COIDEA Clear Shoe Travel Bags. This 5-pack set is perfect for storing sneakers, sandals, or dress shoes while keeping luggage clean and clutter-free. Transparent design allows easy identification, and durable materials prevent scuffs or damage during travel. Lightweight and foldable, these bags are ideal for packing efficiently, whether for business trips, vacations, or weekend getaways. COIDEA Clear Shoe Travel Bags combine convenience, practicality, and style for hassle-free travel organization. Number 2. BAGSMART Travel Toiletry Organizer Bag. The BAGSMART Travel Toiletry Organizer Bag is a must-have for any trip. Its multiple compartments store toiletries, cosmetics, and personal care items neatly, keeping them accessible and organized. Waterproof and durable materials protect against spills, while a compact design fits easily into carry-ons or suitcases. Perfect for business or leisure travel, this bag ensures your essentials are secure and easy to reach. Stylish, practical, and highly functional, the BAGSMART Travel Toiletry Organizer simplifies packing and keeps your travel items neatly organized. Number 3. Riemot Luggage Cup Holder. Enjoy drinks on the go with the Riemot Luggage Cup Holder. This innovative accessory attaches to luggage handles, providing a stable spot for coffee, water, or beverages while walking through airports or train stations. Made from durable, lightweight materials, it's built to last and easy to use. Perfect for travelers juggling multiple items, it improves convenience and accessibility. Functional, practical, and clever, the Riemot Luggage Cup Holder ensures you stay hydrated without fumbling, making travel smoother and more comfortable. Number 4. Airplane Seat Travel Organizer. Maximize your in-flight space with the Airplane Seat Travel Organizer. This handy accessory attaches to your seat back, offering compartments for phones, tablets, snacks, and small essentials. Durable materials ensure stability, and its compact design doesn't interfere with legroom. Perfect for long flights, it keeps travel items within reach and reduces clutter. Stylish, functional, and practical, the Airplane Seat Travel Organizer makes every flight more organized and enjoyable, keeping your essentials easily accessible throughout your journey. Number 5. Mrsdry TSA Travel Bottle Set 4-Pack. The Mrsdry TSA Travel Bottle Set is ideal for air travel. This 4-pack of leak-proof, refillable bottles meets TSA regulations, making security checks hassle-free. Perfect for shampoo, lotion, or sanitizer. They're made from durable, flexible materials that prevent spills. Lightweight and portable, they fit easily into carry-ons or toiletry bags. Practical, convenient, and travel-friendly, the Mrsdry TSA Travel Bottle Set ensures your liquids are safe, organized, and accessible, making packing and flying simpler than ever. Number 6. BILIONE Luggage Straps Set 4-Pack. Secure your luggage with the BILIONE Luggage Straps Set. This 4-pack of adjustable straps prevents suitcase mishaps, keeps zippers closed, and adds an extra layer of protection. Bright colors make your luggage easy to identify on baggage carousels. Made from durable materials, they withstand the rigors of travel. Perfect for vacations, business trips, or family travel. BILIONE Luggage Straps combine safety, convenience, and style, ensuring your bags stay secure and organized throughout your journey. Number 7. BAODINI Mini Travel Umbrella. Stay prepared with the BAODINI Mini Travel Umbrella. Its compact, foldable design fits easily into backpacks, purses, or carry-ons, providing protection from rain or sun. Crafted with durable, wind-resistant materials, it withstands strong gusts while remaining lightweight. Perfect for spontaneous trips, outdoor adventures, or city commuting, this umbrella combines portability, durability, and style. Practical and reliable, the BAODINI Mini Travel Umbrella ensures you stay dry and comfortable wherever your travels take you. Number 8. MiiKARE Airplane Phone Holder. The MiiKARE Airplane Phone Holder keeps your device secure and accessible during flights. Adjustable grips hold smartphones at the perfect viewing angle, making watching movies, reading, or video calling effortless. Lightweight and portable, it fits easily in carry-ons or bags. Perfect for frequent flyers or long-haul journeys, it reduces neck strain and keeps your hands free. Functional, practical, and travel-friendly, the MiiKARE airplane phone holder enhances your in-flight comfort and entertainment experience. Number 9. Cool Night Leather Cigar Case Set. Travel in style with the Cool Night Leather Cigar Case Set. This sleek, durable case protects cigars from damage and keeps them fresh during transit. Crafted with high-quality leather, it combines elegance with functionality. Compact and portable, it fits easily into luggage, briefcases, or backpacks. Perfect for travelers, cigar enthusiasts, or business trips. The Cool Night Leather Cigar Case Set ensures your cigars stay safe, stylish, and accessible wherever you go. Number 10. BAGAIL Compression Packing Cubes. 4. Set. Simplify packing with BAGAIL Compression Packing Cubes. This 4 set allows you to organize clothes, underwear, or accessories efficiently while saving suitcase space. Lightweight and durable, they compress garments to reduce wrinkles and maximize storage. Perfect for business trips, vacations, or weekend getaways. These cubes make packing and unpacking faster and more organized. Practical, stylish, and travel-friendly, BAGAIL Compression Packing Cubes help you maintain a neat, clutter-free luggage experience every trip. Number 11. AirGlow Flex Phone and Tablet Holder. The AirGlow Flex Phone and Tablet Holder keeps your devices at the perfect angle during travel. Its flexible arm adjusts for comfortable viewing, hands-free video calls, or reading. Compact and lightweight, it fits into carry-ons or backpacks. Perfect for flights, hotels, or remote work trips. It enhances convenience and ergonomics. Functional, stylish, and portable, the AirGlow Flex Phone and Tablet Holder ensures a comfortable, organized, and enjoyable travel experience wherever you go. Number 12. Lisen Airplane MagSafe Phone Holder. The Lisen Airplane MagSafe Phone Holder securely holds MagSafe-enabled devices during flights. Strong magnetic attachment keeps phones in place, ideal for watching movies or using apps hands-free. Lightweight and portable, it fits easily into carry-ons or seat back pockets. Perfect for frequent flyers or business trips. It enhances in-flight convenience and organization. Stylish, practical, and efficient, the Lisen Airplane MagSafe Phone Holder provides a secure, comfortable, and hands-free travel solution. Number 13. Parilogix Airplane Phone Mount. Keep your smartphone accessible with the Parilogix Airplane Phone Mount. Its adjustable design fits most devices, allowing hands-free viewing during flights. Durable construction ensures stability, while its compact size makes it travel-friendly. Perfect for watching movies, reading, or video calls. It reduces neck and hand strain. Practical, convenient, and portable, the Parilogix Airplane Phone Mount improves in-flight comfort and ensures your device stays secure and accessible throughout your journey. Number 14. TSA-approved Travel Luggage Lock. Protect your luggage with TSA-approved travel luggage locks. These secure locks prevent unauthorized access while allowing TSA personnel to inspect bags without damage. Durable construction ensures safety and longevity, while compact design fits easily on suitcases, backpacks, or carry-ons. Perfect for domestic and international travel, these locks enhance security and peace of mind. Practical, stylish, and travel-friendly, TSA-approved travel luggage locks are an essential accessory for safe, organized, and worry-free trips. Number 15. Toiletry in a USB-C charging cable. The Timdan 3-in-1 USB-C charging cable is perfect for travelers with multiple devices. Its versatile design supports USB-C, Lightning, and micro USB connections, reducing the need for multiple cables. Durable construction ensures fast charging and long-lasting performance. Compact and tangle-free, it fits easily into bags or luggage. Ideal for flights, hotels, or commuting. The Timdan 3-in-1 cable keeps all your devices powered efficiently and conveniently during any journey. Number 16. Repel Windproof Compact Umbrella. Stay dry in style with the Repel Windproof Compact Umbrella. Its durable, wind-resistant design withstands strong gusts, while its compact foldable frame fits easily into bags or backpacks. Lightweight yet sturdy, it's perfect for travel, commuting, or outdoor adventures. Easy to carry and reliable, this umbrella ensures protection from rain or sun wherever you go. Practical, stylish, and portable, the Repel Windproof Compact Umbrella is an essential travel accessory for every trip. Number 17. VRURC 3-in-1 iPhone and watch charger. Charge all your devices efficiently with the VR-URC 3-in-1 iPhone and watch charger. Compatible with iPhones, Apple Watches, and AirPods, it reduces cable clutter while powering multiple devices simultaneously. Compact and portable, it's ideal for travel, desks, or hotel rooms. Durable construction ensures long-lasting use, and its sleek design fits any modern space. Practical, convenient, and travel-friendly, the VR-URC 3-in-1 charger keeps all your essential devices powered and organized on the go. Number 18. Take Today Collapsible Water Bottle, 20 ounces. Stay hydrated on the go with the Take Today Collapsible Water Bottle. Its 20 ounces capacity is perfect for travel, hiking, or commuting. Foldable design saves space in backpacks or luggage when empty. Durable, BPA-free materials ensure safety and longevity. Lightweight and portable, it's ideal for outdoor adventures, flights, or gyms. Practical, eco-friendly, and convenient, the Take Today Collapsible Water Bottle combines space-saving design, durability, and style for hydration wherever your journey takes you. Number 19. VacBird Vacuum Travel Storage Bags, 9-pack. Maximize luggage space with VacBird Vacuum Travel Storage Bags. This 9-pack compresses clothing, bedding, or bulky items to save space in suitcases. Durable, airtight materials protect contents from moisture, dust, or odors. Perfect for vacations, business trips, or moving. These bags simplify packing and organization. Lightweight, portable, and practical, VacBird vacuum storage bags help travelers pack efficiently, reduce luggage bulk, and keep belongings organized and protected during every journey. Number 20. FLUA Airplane Cup Phone Holder. The FLYGA Airplane Cup and Phone Holder is a multifunctional travel accessory. Securely hold drinks and phones on your airplane tray, keeping items within reach and spill-free. Durable, lightweight design fits most trays and is easy to install or remove. Perfect for flights, commuting, or travel. It enhances comfort and organization. Functional, convenient, and portable, the FLYGA Airplane Cup and Phone Holder improves in-flight efficiency and ensures a hands-free, hassle-free travel experience. Thanks for watching our roundup of 20 unique travel accessories on Amazon. These clever and practical travel essentials make packing, organizing, and exploring easier than ever. Don't forget to check the links in the description to grab your favorites and upgrade your travel game today.